Learn English through this short and fun story about Regina's hobbies.
Hello, how are you today? My name is Regina. I have many hobbies because they make me happy. Let me tell you about some of my favorite hobbies. My first hobby is painting. I like to paint with watercolors. I enjoy painting flowers, trees, and animals. I love mixing colors to make new shades. When I finish a painting, I feel proud. I hang my paintings on my bedroom wall. My friends say my paintings are beautiful. Sometimes I give my paintings as gifts to my family and friends. They appreciate the effort and say my art makes their homes brighter. Painting helps me express my feelings. When I am happy, I use bright colors. When I am calm, I use soft, gentle colors. Painting is like telling a story without words. My second hobby is baking. I like to bake cookies, cakes, and bread. My favorite thing to bake is chocolate chip cookies. The smell of fresh cookies makes me happy. I share my cookies with my family. They always smile when they eat them. Baking is fun because I can be creative with flavors. Sometimes I add nuts or fruit to my cookies to make them special. I also enjoy decorating cakes. I use different colored frosting and sprinkles to make my cakes look pretty. Baking takes time and patience, but it is worth it when I see people enjoy my treats. My dream is to learn how to bake fancy pastries one day. My third hobby is playing the guitar. I started learning the guitar 2 years ago. At first it was hard, but now I can play many songs. I like to play soft, slow songs. Music helps me relax. Sometimes I sing while I play. My friends like to watch me play. They are very supportive and kind. I make sure to practice whenever I have free time. I also try to learn new songs every month. Playing the guitar gives me confidence. One day, I want to play in front of a big audience. For now, I enjoy playing for my family and friends. My fourth hobby is gardening. I have a small garden in my backyard. My favorite thing to plant are flowers because they are beautiful. I water my plants every morning. It feels good to see them grow. I like the fresh smell of the garden. Gardening teaches me patience because plants take time to grow. I love watching the flowers bloom in different colors. Birds and butterflies visit my garden, which makes it even more beautiful. Sometimes I sit outside and enjoy the peaceful atmosphere. Gardening connects me with nature, and it makes me feel calm and happy. My fifth hobby is photography. I love taking pictures of nature, food, and people. When I see a beautiful sunset or a pretty flower, I take a photo to remember the moment. I also like capturing happy moments with my friends and family. Photography helps me see the world in a different way. I use my phone and sometimes a camera to take pictures. I enjoy editing my photos to make them even better. One day, I want to print my best photos and put them in an album. Photography is a way for me to share my memories with others. These are all of my hobbies. They make my life fun and exciting. I love to create, learn, and share. Each hobby teaches me something new and makes me a better person. What hobbies do you like?